Good afternoon. I am out here in beautiful Buckeye, Arizona, about to show you this home. We are just over 1,800 square feet. It is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2.5 bathroom actually, single-story home under $450,000. Get ready to see this beauty. Get ready to hear about these amazing incentives. If you're looking for a home and you want something affordable, this could be the one. All right, so if you're watching my channel right now and you haven't liked or subscribed, please do so. Please share the love. Share me with your family and friends. I help people buy homes throughout the country. Would love to answer any questions. This particular home is in Buckeye, Arizona. We are seeing some great deals, some great incentives. This particular community are doing 2-1 and 3-2-1 buy downs, meaning your interest rate's going to be super low. Just took clients out here. Interest rates are in the 4s. So, I mean, it's a pretty good deal right now. If you're shopping, I'm sure you're like, what is going on? That's a super low rate. And again, I must disclose, the rate is only for today. So tomorrow it could change, or it could be the same, or it could be less. Just showing you what we can get today for a super good deal. They are also offering some good incentives where closing costs are covered, buy downs. I mean, these properties are available the next 30 to 60 days. They're called spec homes, meaning they're pretty much done, ready for you to move in, and they can lock in these prices as we speak. What I like about this particular builder is your down payment, your earnest is only about $500. Rest of your money would be due at closing, which could be 30 days, 60 days, or 90 days. So this one right here is the secondary full bathroom, tub shower combo. I love this brown cabinets that the builders are using. I'm sick of seeing white, kind of whited out wood cabinets. It was such a crazy fad for a while that it's pretty awesome when you can see something different. And how cute is this? This model is featuring some cheetah print wallpaper, which any of my family and friends know I'm a big fan of cheetah. Cheetah and zebra. I love to add the accents in for fun wardrobe. Woo, you go, girl. Yes, if you're looking for a home out here and you want a great deal, this could be the best pricing and options I've seen in a while. I work with Donovan out here in Buckeye, and he's great, super communicative, knows his products, always sharing the best deals with me. So if you're thinking of buying a home and you just want to have some answers, have questions, reach on out. I'm always here to answer them. And always excited to share some of these great deals with my clients. So as you can see, you have the tall ceilings. This is a split floor plan, meaning the primary bedroom's way back there. Secondary bedrooms are up front. And this is the guest bathroom. It's a half bath. I love having that extra half bath, just because when you have company or people working in your home or visitors, it's just nice to have a bathroom just for them, where they're not going into your private space or your kids' private space. And this is another bedroom. So for this price, I mean, you're under $450,000, and to get 4 bedrooms, and there's even 5-bedroom homes available. It's pretty awesome. I mean, for this much money, it's typically a 3-2. So to get more bang for your buck, get a bigger home, it's always a great option. We're going to come out to this beautiful kitchen. So the layout is wonderful. As you can see, it's pretty open. you have this great living space. Try to give you the angles from all views. And we're going to head on this way to this beautiful kitchen. So again, lots of counter space. This one has a quartz. Last home I just went through had granite, so it just depends on what the finishings are. So they're all going to be a little bit different. There's a great sink right here. Oh, and I love these nozzles. I'm not sure if you've seen this before, but how cool is this? It's got the sprayer right in the handle. It's wonderful when you're doing dishes to have that option. And again, these homes out here in Buckeye, some of them have larger lots, some of them feature RV gates. Pricing is amazing. I think pricing is definitely one of the highlights out here. And this model has the walk-in pantry. I love how they set up this living room. The tones are really pretty. Right here, you can see the spacing is wonderful. Got a nice foyer coming in. We're going to go to the primary bedroom. Again, these models have great storage. There's closets everywhere. They feature a tile throughout the regular home and wet areas. And then, of course, in all the bedrooms, they do have carpet. Just trying to show you how large this is. That is a king-size bed. So spacing is wonderful. This one has a great closet also. So if you're a collector, have a good sized wardrobe, this could be a great option. You have double sinks. Stand-up shower. And check out this closet. Oh my goodness. So it could possibly be a shareable closet. It's pretty good size, depending on how much stuff you have. You might be able to fit quite a few items in here, which is wonderful. Tall doorways. Again, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, the like feature, or shared my page with someone, I would so appreciate if you did so. If you could comment what kind of home you're looking for, what kind of home tour you'd like me to show you. I would love that info, would love to help you out, love to answer questions. Check out these backyards. Again, this is out in Buckeye, Arizona. The lots are a little larger. And this one has a great side yard. So yeah, they have some amazing choices out here, super affordable. Keep those monthly payments in mind. What would you like your monthly payment to be? If you comment below, I can show you which properties would fit what you're looking for. Also, this builder is also finishing out the backyards. Some builders don't do that, so it's a great option to have landscaping, some rock back here. They're also including the blinds, fridge, washer, dryer, so some crazy incentives. And I mean, these aren't going to last forever, so if you're thinking about buying a home, sooner might be better than later, just so you can get the best deal possible. If you have any questions or would like more info on this, let me know. I can connect you with Donovan. He's who I work with out here. He is wonderful, very communicative. What I like about this builder is there is not a lot of pressure. They let you think about it. They give you the facts. They give you great pricing. Low deposit. You could put a deposit down on these properties for $500, which is crazy. And then when you go to close, depending on your loan type, you only need 3 to 5% down for a down payment. The builder will cover your closing costs, so you can get in for under $20,000, and I mean some of them under $15,000, depending on the price of the property. If you'd like more info, you want a personal tour, please reach on out. I'd love to help. Have an awesome day.